Let's take a holiday for a day and we'll continue for 6 days for a week. What do you say?
Yeah, sure.
If not, 7 days is also completely fine for me. It's just up to you, dear.
Oh, no. Just we will leave one day, and yeah, we will do directly 60.
Okay, okay. So you want to take holiday on Saturday or Sunday?
Uh, Sunday. It will be Monday for you, right? So I'll take it on
Yes.
Saturday only.
Okay, Vamshi. Hope you remembered the topic still we covered till now.
Yes, I remember.
Let me share my screen. Allow me a minute. Oh, 1 second, Vamshi.
Vamsi, I just sent. Can you please check?
Sure. Yes, I got it. Python C session just now. Yep. Yeah. Teja, just do it immediately because I need to work on it. Yeah.
Yeah,
After the
please
class.
share it as soon as possible as he should practice. Then only we can recall for the next upcoming classes. No, please help us on this.
Sure. Yeah.
Yes, Navya. Thank you very much. Yeah, Vamshi, hope you remember these variables, data types, conversions,
Yes, I
loops.
remember.
So you got an idea like where you use this if conditions, else, loops in multiple situations.
Yes, I remember.
As you also solve these mini tasks as well.
Yes.
And these functions, lists, how do we use them? Where do we use for what use case that we are utilizing these functions and lists in Python?
Yep. I know.
And
Functions,
coming
collections, and sorry, dictionaries and sets.
correct. Correct. And these dictionaries and sets, which are inbuilt keywords for Python,
Yeah.
right?
I remember.
Dictionary law, we do have key and values where set has unordered items inside the set, correct?
Yes.
But it considers only the unique item from the list of set of items, correct?
Yes.
So these are the tasks that I have shared you, like you worked on the day and few tasks I have given in the mail. You can work on it today. You can work on. And coming to the crucial part of Python, today we're gonna discuss about these libraries of Python. How do we use them? What are the simple examples?
Oh.
So Python, like numeric Python, the abbreviation of NumPy is numeric Python. We call it as NumPy.
Okay.
It's just a tool which works with numbers, and we can say especially with big list of numbers.
Okay.
And majorly we do use this for math and arrays.
Okay.
We can consider it like a super powered calculator for lists. For
Okay.
all kind of math in Python, we do use a library called NumPy, where it consists of all packages like addition, subtraction, multiplication, like whatever math problems we do have, statistics, probability, everything.
Okay.
They are all inbuilt in this library. There are inbuilt packages in particular library.
Okay.
So what do we consider for suppose in our day-to-day daily basis, we do have a library, right?
Yes.
After n number of books ఉంటాయి. So
Yes.
manam which we are looking for, we'll go to that particularly, we'll open and start.
Yes.
Like same wise, ఈ పైథాన్ లో కూడా చాలా లైబ్రరీస్ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. దాంట్లో మనకు కావాల్సింది numpy. దాంట్లో మనకు కావాల్సిన ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ లైక్ if suppose it is an addition, we do use plus operator. If it is a subtraction, we do use minus operator likewise. And then pandas is the second library in Python which deals with data. We'll have the huge data when client allocated us, right? For like thousands of rows of data we do have in Excel sheets. So
Yes.
handling all of that will be a very big task for us. Like sometimes we do have missing values, sometimes we do have null values, sometimes we do have wrong things. Likewise, we do have multiple things which we have to correct or which we do have to ignore or which we have to delete. Likewise, no? So that thing will be handled by pandas.
Okay, so you can delete the data also. Okay.
Yes. If see for suppose 10 rows of data is there, students data, and 1 to 5 is filled, 6 is gap, like wrong entry, or and 7 to 10 is filled. If we want to delete this 6th row, we can delete it by using pandas.
Okay.
Just by using one instruction. For 10 rows of data, we can do it very easily. What if it has thousands rows of data? That doesn't make sense for us to delete it manually, no?
Yes.
So to sort that out, we have got into this library called pandas.
Okay.
And the next is scikit-learn, which this we use for machine learning models. These both you learn through this ML topics or AI topics, which makes sense and which makes feel easier for us. Now today this TensorFlow is for deep learning, which builds these neural networks, and it also has a number of variations inside it. This both scikit-learn and TensorFlow. Once we get into the deep dive into this ML topics, then we'll understand these both libraries, scikit-learn and TensorFlow. Now today we're gonna learn with this NumPy and Pandas today.
Okay.
See, as we discussed, this NumPy is a super calculator for lists. Chala chinni code we will write, very less number of lines we'll write, where it consists of full math stuff. And the output or the action, the reaction will be very fast.
Okay.
See here, this left side one is the one which we are doing using loops. This right side code is the one which we are doing using this math library called NumPy.
Okay.
See, manually writing the code, it needs the loop strategy. Prati daniki one after one add cheyandi. Like I'm taking a list of numbers, but prati oka marks ki as a teacher I want to add 5 marks for every students. So I'm appending +5 for each and everything. For M in marks, I'm appending +5 for everything. Like I'm using the for loop here. At the same time, by using this NumPy library, see, initially we want to import this NumPy library from Python to our coding platform. So I'm importing NumPy as NP.
So anything for any library,
anything we can import. For any library, if we want to import the pandas, you have to write like I'm importing pandas. That also you'll get by going down.
Okay.
So after importing, I'm making this particular list as an array, NumPy array. So I'm making it like an array. So for the new marks list, I want to add 5 marks for each and every mark, right? Just here we haven't using any loop over there. We're just adding +5 to each and every item in the array. So automatically it will print 85, 80, 95, 90, 93 likewise.
Okay. I got it.
This is the huge difference between lists and numbers, like arrays, NumPy libraries. Let us see a problem where you'll understand very easily.
Okay.
See, initially I'm importing NumPy as NP, Pandas as PD. I'll explain you after this NumPys. See, I have to import a data set into the part into the code part, right?
Hmm.
మనం ఏ డేటా సెట్ అయితే ఇస్తామో ఆ డేటా సెట్ మీదే నంపై కానీ పాండాస్ కానీ వర్క్ చేస్తాయి.
Hmm.
If data set is huge, you can insert it from your file manager. If the data set like this, if it is very small, we can write it over here.
Okay.
Yes. And coming to this pandas, this is just like an Excel in Python, like sheets, rows of data that we use.
Hmm.
As it is written here, it is a tool that works with the tables, nothing but the Excel sheet.
Hmm.
మనం pandas ని యూస్ చేసి మన డేటా సెట్ ని we can read it, we can clean the data if some missing values or some num values are there. We can clean it, as well as we can analyze, we can compare, we will get to an understanding by reading the data set. దీంట్లో ఏముంది, ఎలా ఉంది, ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఏం డేటా ఉంది అని we can make an analysis అన్నమాట.
Hmm.
It also filters, like if huge data is there but I want condition ni batti I want to filter the data, we can do that also in pandas.
Hmm.
You are following or
Yes,
feeling
yes,
sleepy?
yes. No, not feeling sleepy. I'm following.
Yeah.
Hmm. You're
Um,
just explaining the concept, right? When I see the example, I will understand.
yes. See, now we're gonna work with the both libraries. By using both libraries, we'll go with one example.
Hmm.
Firstly, we have to see, I'm running it. So in Numpy అనే లైబ్రరీని, pandas అనే లైబ్రరీని మన గూగుల్ కొలాబ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ తీసుకుంది. సో
Okay.
మనకి ఇది వర్క్ అవ్వడానికి we should ఒక డేటా సెట్ ని అప్లోడ్ చేయాలి.
Okay.
This is the important process. You can record it if required. See, firstly you go to files here. You can see my cursor, right?
Yes.
Click on this. So there is no data set right here.
Hmm.
So if I run it here,
would
it will show us an error because నేను ఎటువంటి ఇక్కడ డేటా సెట్ చదువు అని చెప్పాను కానీ లైక్ సి బై యూజింగ్ pandas ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ my code to read the file, a file called Netflix, right? But I
Okay.
haven't given any kind of data set over there, so it doesn't make any sense to the mission to read it. So
Hmm.
as I told, this uploading data set is very important. Go to files and then go to this uploading symbol. We'll find a data set, whichever we install in our system, we'll find that.
Okay.
So I'm importing this.
So any for example, usually this AML is about the working on the data,
Correct.
right? SSV. So we need even in the developing platforms, we will have this file places
Yes,
where
yes,
we,
yes.
okay.
Yes, we do have. Mostly the work would be with data.
Hmm. Okay.
So this is, as we are learning from end to end, right? Like from starting to ending.
Hmm.
Depending on your projects, you will be divided some people into data part, like data science, data analysis part, some people into